bought an E46 M3, which I never drove. I just bought it and then I removed the engine and then I put it on the M3.
That's crazy.
Yeah, I think it was one of those first at the time to have a E39 M5 engine in it. So those were the special times where the exhaust was better than even a C63 on that car. This is a BMW E46 M3, 2004 model. It's a individual where we mean when the first owner ordered it, he chose how he wants it to be. He spec'd the car brand new, where I want it like this, the rims, the color, the leather interior. So it's an individual. It's a balanced car. It's your proper M3. It's a well balanced. It's when you are driving it, everything talks to you. You can feel what that wheel is doing, what the other wheel is doing. If another wheel is low on pressure, it will tell you by holding the steering. So this one is the cleanest. I think it's the cleanest, I don't know, in the whole of Botswana. I would like to think so. Everything is intact. There's no error messages in the dash. Everything works. The radio works. The CD shuttle still works. It's your proper car. It's well intact. On Easter, I took it to Sokomant. It went and came back. Close to 1.6 kilometers to go and another 1.6. So it's very, very reliable. It's well, everything, the aircon works. What's so special about it also for me is it was made at the eras where technology was meant to do mechanical things work, like how the CD shuttle operates. It puts a CD, takes it in and removes it back. Even this radio, when you press it, it flips and then the CD comes out. So I like that technology where electronics were powering mechanical things. So the latest cars, it's not like that. It's more of hey BMW, select track 2. So this one is mint condition. Everything is still there. The torch on the glove box is still there. The first aid is still there. Original Bluetooth phone is still there. I still connect and talk to my Bluetooth. The first one was memorable because I had a supercharge in it. It was super fast back in the days, and then when I got tired of the supercharger, I bought an E39 M3, which I never drove. I just bought it and then I removed the engine and then I put it on the M3. So you don't want turbulence to come to you. We have this, you can eject this like this. It goes like this, and then you can have your windows up. You can even light a cigarette in front. This is another extra of the wind deflector. Oh, that's very nice. Fun fact, everything, that pump is original also. It came with this pump. These cars, they didn't come with spare wheels. They were run flat. Sequential manual gearbox. So that takes me back to that fun factor I told you about that I like. So the SMG is still a manual gearbox, but the electronics puts a gear for you and then they clutch for you. That's why it's a very connected car. You feel very connected to the car.
Where the neon glows, every block tells a tale the whole city knows. Rhythms in the shadows where the cold wind blows. Life's a gamble on these streets, anything.
So the gearbox is still a manual, but the motors, they put the gears for you, the hydraulics and they clutch for you. Got it from a guy called Mike. Mike was giving me a hard time. I think I pursued this car for close to 6 months. I tried to meet, he says this, and then one day I was like, after 4 months, I was like, no, I can't, you still not sure how much you want to sell the car. Just give me your bank account. Let me just give you what I have.
We'll discuss after
We'll
that.
discuss after that if it's small or little. So what I did is I just put money in the account. And 3 months went by, he had my money, and then after 3 months I got a call, hey man, come here. So I thought I was going to have tough negotiations because the guy had to talk with his wife about the price. So when he called me, I thought we were going to negotiate more. I found everything, the blue book, the agreement, and then I took the car. So that's how I got the car.
Do you still talk to him?
Yes, we're still good friends. Every time I do something, I send him pictures and he
when you do a modification.
Yeah, he posts them. He likes it. When I'm at Swakopmund, he loves it, and then he posts the pictures. He always asks for pictures. We're still in a good relationship with the person.
That's very good. Yeah. That's very good.
I call it my Sunday car when I want to go to the car wash and all that. It's very special. It's the baby.
It's the baby.